fix media keys not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check the hardware. To avoid blaming the wrong culprit, such as a driver, system update, or recently installed application, it's critical to first rule out any hardware malfunctions. Begin by slowly and attentively pressing your media keys, noting any unusual sounds or movements. Solution 2. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Solution 3. Reset the keyboard layout. Check the preferred languages list and make sure the correct language is at the top. If not, use the Move Up button to rearrange it. If you only have one language in the list, add a new language temporarily and place it at the top of the list. Move your preferred language to the top of the list. Solution 4. Update the keyboard driver. Solution 5. Check Windows services. Check the services status. If it says stopped, click Start. If it says running, right-click the service and select Restart.